All right, still getting used to using the camera gimbal. All right, so behind me, and I'm gonna completely disappear, is the project for today. All right, so here is today's project. Why is this going all over the place? But at some point in this car's past, somebody thought it would be great to nightshade the lights with a sticker. Either that or their tint, but I'm pretty sure these are stickers. I don't think this was tinted on, like window tinting. So I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna restore. I love the fact that I have to say we're restoring taillights now. And we can do this one. And the sun is like at a very, very low point right now, and it is scorching. Like I sweated a little onto the car earlier, and it just, this is a really long bolt. Okay, that's light number one. All right. And this one, gently ignore the spider. There we go. Don't know where the spider went. Dead. Bye-bye. Here's our issue. These taillights are actually pretty much fine. The problem is this. We got to take care of that. So night shading, which I know is still kind of into it. People like to do nightshade on their lights. The thing is that normally you do it with a special kind of paint. It's like a clear, but it's been tinted for your lights, and you can do individual parts or you can do the whole light. Typically on a black car, people like to do the whole thing. So that's what we're gonna have to take off. You know what? We can actually still, since we've got the lights off the car, we can actually try going at it with a razor. Okay, note to self, I have to use metal razor blades. I tried using the plastic stuff in hopes of not damaging the light, but it seems like the metal is actually doing a pretty good job of not messing up the light too badly. Maybe this was window tint, because it kind of smells like it. That's one done. We just still got to do the other one. And there you go. We've unpimped our headlights and they're ready to go back on the car. No, our next step, we have to sand it. We have to sand this section down. We'll probably sand a little bit around the edges so that then we can actually clear the entire light. I'm gonna try starting with some 320 dry. And we're getting some of the crap that didn't come off. So that's a decently good sign. All right, so wet sanding is clearly the answer. So with how this came out, it tells me that definitely we're on the right direction. I think I might be able to skip 600, or I should say 400, 600, and just go straight to 800, key the whole light, and we can clear that. You can see that our lights are starting to look closer to their factory original color. The thing that I went specifically for is that it's non-yellowing and that it's UV resistant. So now the time has come. You can see our beautiful restored lights. Now the time has come, we gotta put it on the car. There we go. All right. Let's just fix the weather stripping a little bit. Come on. It's that last little nut that's gonna be a pain. Yes. And there we go. I've never been so impressed with stock taillights. Thanks for joining me today on this like vlog style. This wasn't really a how-to, but more of a, hey, this is what we're up to. The next video is gonna be rather interesting. You guys are gonna see that I broke something I can't actually get anymore. So that'll be interesting. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have a future upcoming episode. We are working towards transitioning on a few things. There's a lot coming in the future. For now, I need to make sure all of our cars are working, and we're going to be doing projects on that as we go. But this should be fun. This is going to be one hell of a ride coming up. So to my diehard fans, I really appreciate your time as always. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for Crooked Mustache, I'm Alfred. We'll see you next time. Dale!